mayam khurumjari Impact TV na akan sandokchariba special report thoramasu miting tabiriba mayam punamakpo ahan makada taram nokchari ngasi aikhoina hojik laijariba mafam ase khogi Manipur University campus ta hojik MEMS department na senduna pangthokliba Manfete 2025 ke venue duna khoi laijariba ase mafam asida aikhoina stall fambiriba sing organizers sing amadi handaki festival asibu miting taba amadi enjoy tawba lakpiriba mayam punamakka unajatuna wari watai sanabagi tanja mateka matang logjage Khoina sum koina chatlu matam da khage tongan thon ba stall sing se changjaraba matung da yamna interesting web stall ma khakshu akhoina thengne jai where khogi art ki oiba khogi artist ki masamak na sajaba dugumba polam chira mayam khag yon ba stall ma khakne stall sigi matang da su wari shan se stall sigi wari su sana se haijege so mingam ta haibi
I mean Elena.
Hoi, ado sigi stalls da khoina fangbiriba items sing se sidi kai kai oigaduna dui matang da sa haibi
Se lai sing se handmade item ngakta ne bako ado isana loina sem ba haida
ado habdi bracelet tagi horakan da
flower bouquet yaure ribbon yaure dream catcher yaure painting ke ka so yaure
hoi yamna su fazaba dugumba initiative amakhak ni haba tare ado handaki mamangi kogi Manfete festival sing da sigumba store gi opportunity se leite hai tare ka ado handaki smaina yarak pa isa da kari fau bi amasung mayam sings na audience mayam na la akanda habdi song gi product mayam urakanda makhoina kari review di pibiram ge habda di matang da sai bi
yam nuai haidi akoi ju sum yum da leiba ganda isa na pamjabdu gi sum sajabane ba ado tar jo dum puthok aga mayam da khangan ba matan di leite da ado smaina chance sam pibibe opportunity pibibe yam nuai ado mayam feedback su dum phajai haidi yam phajai ado ye taw makha gan hairame
yamna su fazaram gani ne khale habdi akhoi sida fangbiriba product mayam se hai tare yam tina isana khutna sabani ga se khoi man da hai tare ko yamna quality yam laine yam fazna su sai havna artistic quality yamna wangba creativity yam wangba amakaki mami su tai hai tare hene su mai pa ko impact team makadi hai jage thank you so much Akoi koina chatna sum mayam wari watai sanazar pagi makha tarak po oina handak Manfete 2025 asige thawai hapiriba dugumba organizing team maraktagi khogi brother ma kakawari sanazage amasung Manfete ki magi significance gi matang da khoi wari sanazage brother ahambada minga brother gi designation ga hana khangjage
Hello, I am Sibar Soibam. I say Manfete ke every main event singe business idea amasung manhunt and man queen gi coordinator obiri aduga hojik thodang puduna hojik ngasigi event asidasu an overwatcher ori sahi ani war matungda amuko jali Manfete Manipur Institute of Management Studies na organize tawna sahi annual function asi kuina leplo matungda hoi 100 chatra singna Manipur film kitang yenga hoi kitang chatra singe war wakhalo je depression na bo khopa anxiety ma'am je clear tawna ma na hoi various events mayam do kesu langfang entertainment kya henjindana adum akoi satrami tabum thoba as part of management studies koi fourth semester student sinjabari chai guningi so this time mamang chai sing da entertainment room the focus kya torme yam torme adubu this time akoi hand entrepreneurship chi push to it because core value of being an MBA student is to build future leaders future entrepreneurs and what we can provide to society and not what we can do as entertainers and event planners. Why? Those entertainment and event planners are also important, but this time around, as being event coordinator of business idea, I'm proud to say Manfete 2025 has successfully organized one of the biggest student organized startup ecosystem competition whereby the brightest minds of Manipur have come forward and delivered their successful business idea. Aduna akoi Manipur la liba culture chi youth sing sida entrepreneurs sing si chokhatpa yokhatpam changi and my wakhan ai wakhan ase ai wakhalon asida khalisi entrepreneur singjina celebrity status tawna celebrated oi matam oirabani akoi entrepreneur singju celebrity status tawna mayan regard to bahore and that satra singde hogdana an sing chingbudu boring oi so a little mix of youth flavor is what it all takes to bring entrepreneur into the celebrity status. Thank you.
Yamna su nungaizaba amasung yamna su chawthokchaningai oiba wakhalon amakat me haiba tare akhoi Manfete ki magi main we pandam je thambiri se have the celebrating the entrepreneurship haiba tare because entrepreneurship itself is the future of the Manipuri economy housing oiga doi sinatra yamna su nungai je do mamang tahi sing de gi akhoina Manfete se dum pangkhokna dum lai ko ado handak chahi sigi oina di 2025 ki Manfete se de akhoi kari anoba habadi entrepreneurship tane hena focus tawre budi haibire ko kari anoba hapchen bigi habado adugi matang la sahibi events sing da kari kanoba hapirakpa adugi matang da
tidokpa hapchaninga lite as akoi senior sing silam sing do adum phajai everything was perfect adha akoi tawje value addition haidi mama the business idea gumba event se muje price eva it was just competition me on the motivation deba handati 1 lakh cash prize ngasi yen thokre winner laigre adu pirakpada mi motivation phangbadagi senapati chandel adi competitors mayam du satra ngatna treba PhD scholars farmers loi suna blaiba adu da sigi posida aina khanjai that hanale ma potira onthok tabida just value addition hapak poje paisa gum bahengat piba entrepreneurship oiba kana ga lambi on the continuous process ni dara si jina ano bone anu khanjai
aduga Manfete ki legacy se haiba tare mathang chahi gi oina se Manfete ki legacy ama kakta ko ge 6th semester gi da amuk students sing da amuk piram ga doi ni hai tar sigi sida khoi combine tawra kan da kari anova additions idea me ama khak kino na somna kushina biram ge haina khan ge when can we expect a next Manfete
probably same time around next year I expect our students to continue our tradition hadi tawriba potse akoina ninga tawna teba akoi alma maters alumnus ma'am simbiram legacy da koina respectfully follow tawra dum chatpani mona prima blueprint dum me sadly for us akoi gide lanung tawrubagi laitabani akoina scratch this habani handaki Manfete another dum pause aduna handati akoi junior sing ngawbani hopefully if nothing happens to the environment and political status of Manipur our juniors will likely organize Manfete 2026 around this same year, same time next year. So I'm hoping they'll buckle up and bring a better stage for all the events.
Yes, we also hope that we make that dream comes true, Havatara. And Impact TV would like to wish you all the very best for the upcoming events also. And thank you so much for celebrating entrepreneurship for our state, Manipur. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mathang aside akoi hojik manhunt contest asige have tare akoi gi brain and soul oiriba dugumba team coordinator have tare mahakawaisin of gitanjas logjage maga se Manipur gi oina the successful model mayam khut thek pada koina one of the most important model of Manipur have tare kogi Mr. Rakesh nong mai them ne koi una jeri base da Rakesh handaki kuina kogi Manfete se matam khar dile pure have tare ko sor fun gatana le pure adu handak finally amok 2025 se manhunt se safong ko matam sida ko da Rakesh kari faubi isada dagi adu experience so hana have you at the same time Sigi program sima oina bo hona matam da rakhes na heart and soul hona bigi matam sida kari experience ti thengna bigi adui matang da sahibi
okay kanen matam yam kui na lepro matung da amuka khogi akhoi han gi normal position da normal gi no da lak pi mong da khoi kan angang singi Manfete queen and manhan contest am taruk pasida documentic yam nuai kagino hadi khoi angang sing potential yam le ba angang sing mayam mo gi platform le ta ba adugi platform je nau namu platform matam da angang kaisna mong da lejer potential adi mong da uchani bo khotme am gi mo gi platform ma pi beje documentic nuai aduga Sigi Manfete ki platform sida choreography to beja yi oina tang ahan bo oidoni mamang da topa mayam to taragasu aduga angang sing se documentic confident lei documentic potential lei audition da angang no pa 45 lakh pa matam da 20 khatane ko ni khangat cheje aduga nupina Manfete queen gina 35 lakh pa matam da 20 khatane aduna angang sing je train to ba matam da ingon da yam ka hena wabdi oigide kegno di moi singje matic strong oi confident oi adu masana fashion gi beauty pageant gi contest se khar le lak pano oiraga manu moiraga aingonda wa ba tar ga su aina hana mamang de wa gi do adu makti oi di adu duga aina yam ngak pamna hausi pokta angang singje kanana top 10 chang pa ya ba gi haibi aida chang on song le ta ba habdi mamang da aina pai ba pageant matam de singang je top 10 chang kani singang je top 5 chang haibi gi adum isada khara khangjei ba adu
hadi judge oina su koina work to
work to ni aduga hanta ki event se de nupi su no pa su kana top 10 chang ka to ba mi je kana no have je aingon da idea song le ta because they all are gorgeous adu confident and personality yang wangi aduga angang khai se like su ya mana hai daga yak pa to ibani na hauji pu ke na kana no top 10 chang ni kana no top 5 chang ni adu winner oi ba ya ba nga kana no have hauji pu ine na ai ga idea ka intelligent
yamna su nungai je akoina sum interview matang lo matam da ko akoi gi kari hai ba tare akoi gi main han sina akoi gi stepping stone oira kana ton ba successful model myam ka Manipur da ke pok rabani hai ba tare siguma successful model myam se pok na phona da main han ke important oi adna main han sina grassroots level oira kanda sumaina model myam sengat po matam sida handaki chahi sigi oina di magi level up tawre ina taza matam sa ko gi Manipuri pageant tree se sigi se akoi da kai hai gani yamna mara che salle hai no su log je hai ba tare da ke slois la ko matam sa koi contestant myam sa ngasi ni khang ga doi ni ngasi tonight we are gonna reveal the winners ai tare ko for both the contest winners myam sa kari kaino ge as a guru wo moi na ha ba tare ko kari me sa sibu bini
ai gi haibu angang sing da ngasi khatagi na to everything happens for a reason hana ba nei ko ngasi gi reason to amana bo mai pa e amana bo winner wa sakre but akoi di same experience ne phanglai je khoi grooming mi mani mangan khoi pulap to mi nei pulap sa mi nei pulap thong mi nei pulap no mi nei pulap wa mi nei but result to khatana akoi gi marak te khena bale henda ba ko aduga ngasi khatagi na to ba ai isa na pa me ba tungi punsida mai pa pun oi minasi tungi lambi da aina angam mating pangba ngam bo ejeke moju yam sang na mogi journey je moina pa me ba lambi yam sang na kuina ai walk to mina ba oi ba ngam jagi ai na jari
jam thank you so much everybody hen so my pa ko oi bio at the same time akogi Manipuri pageant trees so hen mangjin thabo oi biro have impact mechanism ka chai thank you so much for your time
thank you so much
khoina sum koina chacharuba matam da akogi yamna enthusiastic oi ba akogi Manfete ki men event ori ba akogi man hunt contest asige contestant ani ka yamna handsome oi ba contestant ani ka koina thengna je ha ba tare makhoi ga wari watai sanna ba gi tanja do amta lojage hamada brother gaming amta khangjage
ai gaming malengman ba wai khom
leifam
ai gi leifam na ko ka thel dam dong leika
yam su nungai je brother ge sa khangjage
ai gaming na Daniel Sanning thokongjam leifam na mong shangai
yam su nungai le handaki akogi Manfete 2025 se after lots of struggle gi matung da lan myam thengna gre ha ba tare dugi matung da kitang sor hondro ko matam sida men han se sumaina silak pase sida isada contest se yaubi re ha ba tare ko hojik tongan ba level myam ka khala avane ha tare final level is still waiting ha tare ko sigi sida isada kari fawi at the same time sigi journey sida kari experience sing na brother ge han host
ahan bo wakta da impact tv bu no na khurumjari ai handak yauja baje ahan bani so I get to learn a lot from my teammates so he's also my senior he taught me a lot aduna ai siguma ka batardi hena afaba platform da chatna try tawjagani ka hawda batarju I'll work harder next time and achieve my goal.
Thank you so much. Adu ki spirit tu ne hai tare koi na su yeng je base ko thank you so much. My park ko su oi ne na su khanjai my park ko su oi bio had impact tv ki ma ke dik su hai sake. Brother ki experience so have you handa ki journey si hai tare ko kari experience thing na ba.
mioi ba je punchi da makhal mathel ga am theng na adubu akoi gi beauty pageant ji da theng na ri sing ji di masana khona ba kan ba mioi ba gi khuna gi da mukta saukhat na ba gi da mukta khan ba adu gi kya adubu ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯗꯔ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯁꯝ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛ ꯁꯛꯇꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯑ ꯃꯦꯜ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯥꯟꯒꯟ ꯐꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯆ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯌꯣꯔ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯕꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯈꯪꯖꯒꯦ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯏꯈꯨꯔꯝ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯕꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯤ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯔꯛꯏꯅꯦ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯔꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯎꯖꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯐꯦꯠ 2025ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯁꯤꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ
ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯇ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯄꯟꯖꯔꯕꯗꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯃꯤꯁ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ 2023ꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ and I am the winner of Miss MU 2023. After that I have participated in the Miss Universe Manipur 2024 and I have won the title of Miss Universe Manipur first runners up. And after that I went for Diva Northeast Diva held in Guwahati in 2024 and there I won the title of Miss Runway. Performance mayam ama pikre ko haidi mathang adum process ama lakre aduda handaki Manfete sida khoi Manipur da sinba sida oin haizage ko Miss MU sin kre Miss Universe Manipur sin kre aduga sigi mathang da ina participate tawjari se Manfete queen se oidoine ba sida ina changes thengna ba hai taragadi Miss Manipur University yauraga Miss Universe Manipur yaurpa matamda Miss Universe Manipur sidi platform se yam chawbani na aduki experience di yamna phajai hai tare aduga isada su yam dungai hoba maramdi grooming gumba sisu khoi gi Guwahati gi artist na khoi yam phawa mi amani ko ma se wak ki oina di north east ta so mana grooming tau kidina akhoi the experience yamna lei howe hai tare adugi matung da Manfete lakpa sida ai isana khalame Manfete sidi kitang handa bani na nungai gadra ne na but once I step out here sida lakpa kan I started knowing that this is another test kamaina no har kan khoi gi grooming tau ba kan choreography se something very different from the previous one adudagi adu tang natana khoi gi way of making our gowns ngasai gi haiba khotpa rhythms mayam ama hapakpa adudagi body structure hena phajana ba hotna birakpa adu tang sunatana closed door interview subtitle khan bagi tongan naga silakpa haidi yam expect tawruda ba amane haidare so I think this experience is very good aduga sidagi hena 2026 ta Manfete queen na mamuk lakini dana aduda hena aphaba adudagi di hena sidagi hen upgrade tawba ama oi minner se haina haizage thank you
yamna su nungai ko akoina su ngasai dagi yengza matamda ngasai haibigi do fi haibagi kaino ba akoi yamna kijai haitare high heels to kanda koina fi chong haibada habdi tuition gar rakot kadra kaina but every contestant nail it very well haitare ko habdi akoina su yamna achoba hope myam ka thamjere haitare som dagi yamna achoba hope ko yam thamjere effective gi mai kai dagi se mai pa ko oi bio haizage career se hena growth to oi bio haizage thank you so much mathang asidi akhoi gi yamna hard working oi ba akhoi contestant ama khakka mo wari sanazage sister gi ming hana khangjage laifam su khangjage
I am Agnes MR and from Manipuri district.
Manipuri district.
Yes.
So I also saw that previously you participated in different kind of pageantry, but you are also participating in Manfete 2025. So how was the experience? Can you please tell us how do you feel about Manfete 2025?
For the past years, I've always looked up to Manfete platform, and it has always been my dream to be in this platform and to show myself and represent myself. And today I got the chance, and I have participated in regional platforms. However, coming back to my state, Manipur, they have given me so much beautiful moments with my sisters. I got to teach them what I know and also got to learn so much from them. And it is truly inspiring to see girls from different places coming together to pursue the same dream. And I believe that this platform is such a great opportunity for women empowerment. And Manfete as this platform is not just an event, but a platform to advocate women, to showcase young talents, and also has shaped different personalities in different fields, whether it be it pageantries or also sports or games or communication skills. And I am truly proud to be part of this historic moment. And Yeah. Thank you.
We hope that you win this title, and then we hope that you take the crown with you when you
Yes, sir.
return home, and we pray that you achieve that.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the wishes. It means a lot.
Thank you so much for your time. Mathang aside akoigi manhunt contest asige akoigi participant amakha ka magwaris na sige brother gi minga digi brother gi laifam ga hana khangjage brother.
I gaming wang akoy jam kawi I hak se singjamai di goi doine.
Ado wang se akoina yengjaba matamda aina di wang adum haijage ko wang se akoina yengjaba matamda akoi tongan ba akoigi pageantry competition me amakha su national gi state ki me amakha su akoina participate tawre haba tare adna sida fangak experience to ga handaki manfit ki manhunt says the fangak experience ga wang kari khena ba phangi adu matang se haibe.
Okay. So pageant yauba kandana. It doesn't matter if it's for the state or national or it's always a different experience. The organizers, the people you meet there, and the stage itself, it's always different. So aina hana 2020 the yauba kanda ko. It was unprecedented. Like on the spot, yauge baneva. And then I won that title, and then after that I say academics on jalle. And then for 5 long years I took a break, and finally in the beginning of this year I went for Megamisa Northeast, and adu da su Megamisa Manipur ki title se phangira. Adu matungda aina COVID toriba title se simadi main title do neba ko Northeast ke. Adu do ngamauda bane na aina isada se penja da ba ko. Aduna sige manhunt sida lakpane. Like to get more experience, and honestly I just like the competition to be honest.
To groom yourself better,
yes,
right?
To groom myself. I just want to improve, and then it doesn't matter if I win or lose in this competition itself. I just like competition. I just like that feeling, that fire. So the mind to open experience, it's all different, and this experience itself, it has been very good. Like memes ki department na liba experience I'm organized OBCO, and then the contestants themselves, they have been super nice. They have treated me like a brother. Aduna adugi nungai budo boy.
Have the plus ako in a community amakak su build up tawre na so high be record again the same time experience me amakak su pangai positive ngak pune have that. But internally have a competition ne adna competitions ni kamai taw is the competition is strong or like wangyo in the live pone na de khanbi ran ta handak is a competition se kamai taw.
I mean, of course, competition there's always going to be very strong contestants, and hojik so dum am very strong over contestant yoy ko hana ramp ta chatlura ba, and then first time oi taraga su very verbally strong hai tare ko wangang thorok pa sa torok pa, and then chat pa do oi su ka moi gi stage ki performance oi tara su yam tina hai ba yam yawe, and Manipur se ko hojik ti potential yam wange. We see a lot of kids from Manipur now going for international, and then title holder or lakpa aduna sigi talent se nurture to bose si phaiye swana manfit hoigi state tagi horaga grassroots tagi horaga swana level to ga chatna bagi makudong chapam thambase ko. It's a very good opportunity for all the kids out there.
Yamna sunung ngai wang ko game active game mai kai dagi su ko mai pakko su oi bio haizage, and I really wish that one-on-one conversation
All right. Thank you so much.
Nam bagi tanja log jage. Thank you so much for your
Thank you
time.
everyone.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯐꯤꯠ 2025 ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯗꯁ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯗꯅꯤ, ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯏ. ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯂꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯤꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ. ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯇꯤꯚꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯦꯗꯁ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯣ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ. ꯃꯦꯗꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
I mean Prakriti Thaudem.
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯅꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯇꯤꯚꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯐꯤꯠ 2025ꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ, ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯅꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯇꯤꯚꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯗꯁ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯐꯤꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯁ HIV ꯑꯦꯗꯁ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯅꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ. ꯑꯗ ꯃꯣꯁꯂꯤ ꯃꯦꯟꯐꯤꯠꯇꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯅꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ, ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ HIV ꯑꯦꯗꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯁꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯇꯪ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ, ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯥꯏꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯤꯐꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯥ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯪꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯕꯅꯦꯕ. ada mostly akoina sida raffle tawe raffle manung sida koi ngasai gift khara yawe mug kumba keychain t-shirt adagi HIV tested kumba mai myam yawe da akoina hoji aduda natraga so adum laaga friendly oina haidi HIV test tawjage haibagi opportunity do khoina pi ba aduga sidona ma free da adum tawe khudak ta test result adum pi ada si se tawdraga so akoina adum haidi HIV related oiba question sing akoina haidi misunderstand laiba khangning bagum bado adum akoina haidi hangbagi hangaga wari sanabagi interaction gi adugum opportunity sum thamme ba aduga akoina haidi even youth living with HIV ga na contact oina talk tawge hairaga phawba akhoi adugi opportunity laiba hauji HIV na aduna laiba youth amaga wari sanajage haibagi opportunity do akhoi da lai aduna adum haidi youth marakta adum akhoina adi counseling so adum tawe test tawba manungda aduga sise adi HIV related oiraga adum sinjaba ahanba ju oidong male Manfete ta khanbada ado atopa
yamna su nungai ba masung yamna su important oiba initiative ama khakne Manipur AIDS Control Society ne ngasi paikhat pi base ngasi gi tanja se logjar kan da impact TV na thong oizage Manipur State AIDS Control Society gi maikai dagi habatare general oiba mayamna loina maglauna ba ya ba dugumba awareness kari haibi ni point 1 to 3 amtang haibi
awareness hairaga di samlapna haiba kanda HIV se hanadi yamna kinarame aduga even HIV se kanbangam dana laikhidaba mi amasu laigre ado hojikti if HIV se nare hairaga di akhoida kaisu chingna ningai laitreba hadi ART adum free da book ta even hospital khuding mak ta even private hospital siza da book ta free da ART se phangge ba ko ado ART charaga hakchang phana adum youth myam hojik laire adogi akhoi larik la su phaba myam su lai ado even Pradeep Kumar example loina ha amaya su myam laire aduga HIV gi matang da di hoji HIV naba amaga nadaba amaga yum panmin aduna macha da book ta nada na laiba yabagi advantage book ta khoi da laire ba si gi chang na chawkhatle aduga hen na haidi myam haidi akhoina awareness radio da TV da khangba si su laire aduga akhoina haidi laiminari ba sing sida su akhoina hen na haidi nungsina na HIV na narba sing da su haidi ninghan na da na laiba aduga if kai gumba youth sing da HIV na naraga lairaba aduga haidi aina nare hidak chajare di khangaba ko adubu ithanda di stigma je isanda discriminate tawjaraga manungda phumjallaga aigi wari share tawpham laitaba ai kanaga loinaga ni khangdaba adumai lairaga su youth plus Manipur na ko adi youth sing HIV positive na dona laiba youth singi oiba koi group laiba ko sida dum tanaraga magi awaba nungaitaba de share tawnaba de punba even every Sunday khudingi grouping tawraga adi koi meeting natraga so koi cha thakminnawa langminnawa myam laiba aduga any event khuding makta dum akoi saruk ya jai aduga HIV related ki da oina di yamna hadi warm welcome akoi youth plus ki side tagi sule aduga max ki side tagi so adum akoi any matam da thong launa hangaga lai HIV related ki di
yamna sunungai de treatment se khoi chahi khudingi oina mane advance so ikalai ko amasung Manipur State AIDS Control Society youth wing sing na so max na so habatare yamna achowa thodang amasu lobiri hena mai pak ko biu HIV AIDS habase khoi gi malem gi mafam dagi habatare totally eradicate tawbo se khoi manglan se chawna mangmina se impact TV na se thong oijar kana ngasi gi message se masters to yohon mangam jage thank you so much
yamna so adum haidi HIV se muthatna ba hotna ba da HIV na naba mi khak da sunata na anaba na da pulam na hotna minara kan HIV se let's end HIV do aduda thamjage so thank you all
thank you so much Impact TV na khana sandok chariba special report on Manfete 2025 mathangi episode ama khakta amok anover report kya pudna mayam gi damakta special report hanjar ki ge Impact TV bu mijing ta dron lebiyo